Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your camera firmware version in Menu Setup Version. Write down the version shown so you can confirm the update. Charge the NPFC 100 battery to at least 50% before starting the process. A full charge is safer and reduces update failure risk. Prepare a computer running Windows or Mac and the original USB cable supplied with the camera. Close all other applications and disable sleep on the computer to prevent interruptions. Download the correct A7III firmware file for your computer operating system. Verify you selected the exact model and operating system before downloading the file. Open the downloaded updater and follow the installer prompts on your computer screen step by step. Connect the camera to the computer using the supplied USB cable when instructed by the updater. Ensure the camera remains powered on and do not disconnect the cable during the entire installation process. After the update completes, the camera will usually restart automatically and display a confirmation. Check Menu Setup Version to confirm the installed firmware matches the downloaded version. Reconnect any lenses, adapters, or accessories and test autofocus, image stabilization, and menu navigation. If you notice unexpected behavior, perform a camera settings reset according to the manual before retrying the updater. If problems continue, run the updater again or contact support for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.